A client once asked me, Samuel, what is it about maths such that 4 out of every 10 young people in the UK failed maths in 2025? I paused at his surprise and answered, it is not because they are bad at maths, it's because they were never given a strong foundation. Maths literacy is crucial to a country's prosperity. It facilitates economic growth. It enables individuals to make informed decisions and to navigate a complex data-driven world. Maths literacy is fundamental to human capital development. In fact, did you know that raising maths literacy by 1% in a country can raise GDP with positive benefits by about 3%. But what is the solution? I provide, without charge, 15 to 30 minutes maths help sessions. Send a message to mathswithsamuelutere@gmail.com to request access, but it must be approved by an adult. On YouTube with the channel handle @mathswithsamuelutere, you will find a comprehensive package of year 7 lessons, which are the beginner lessons in any secondary school anywhere in the world, where you can build strong maths foundations. I also provide YouTube shorts, short videos on TikTok and on Instagram that capture fundamental maths concepts that can help you build strong maths foundations. The truth is, fix the foundations and the rest becomes easier. I am Samuel. See me as your global maths literacy consultant. If you need help raising maths literacy within your community, contact me, send me a message to mathswithsamuelutere@gmail.com and tell me the challenges so that we can collaborate.